Hello YouTube, this is Chesco from STEM APKs. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to continue where we left off in the last tutorial. If you remember in the last tutorial, I showed you how to download a file onto your Raspberry Pi and run it on your local computer. And you were able to transfer data, images, files from the remote Pi into your local computer. And that's what I'm showing you here. In this tutorial, we're going to take it a little step further. And you're not going to need to download anything onto your Pi. All you need to do is run these on your local computer. And all you need to do is connect to your Raspberry Pi. It gives you a choice of SSH key or password, or do password is easier. It's telling you that the connection is happening. So you enter your password. Okay. Okay. Now you're in. Now you want to see the files inside your Pi. It's going to ask you for another password to make sure that you have the right permissions. Enter. And voila. You have everything in in your Pi right there on your computer. This is something like it used to be in the old days. Back in the day, you remember FileZilla and those FTP. Well, this is something similar to it, but besides showing you the contents of the directories, and you can actually navigate. Look at that. I'm inside my Pi right now, navigating inside. And as you can see, I can go up into one directory. I can go into Rust. This is my directory right now in other directories. How cool is that? And not only that, I am also able to open an image, look at it, preview it, and there is the image. And not only that, it's completely resizable, the screen, courtesy of Fulltick. Not only that, we can do this. We can take an image. Let's say that we'll go from desktop, images. Let's do, we've been doing that so many times. Let's do this one. And then copy, be lazy, copy, paste, sort the image name, optical 3 JPEG, and then it's going to my desktop. Um, let's just copy these. Actually, let's go up, change the directory. Let's go to desktop there, and then it's not there. So copy and paste. And now let's see, transfer. It's going to ask me for my password again to make sure that I have the permissions. Enter. And voila, file transfer completed successfully. If I look, as you can see right now, it's not there, right? But if I refresh, there it is. And that's what I have taken the old tutorial into, just combining it into one program that can run not on your you can run it anywhere basically. I mean, that way you don't have to be downloading stuff into your Pi. You don't have to be, because if you don't have a monitor hooked to your Pi, it's a pain in the butt. So this way you have complete control of your Pi, and I'm adding other functionalities. Like I'm working on getting the files and resizing images and and making it really functional. But that will have to wait for the next tutorial. But what you need to do if you want to get your hands on this file, all you need to go is to go into your my GitHub, and I already have it. That was half an hour ago, so it's recently. You go to my GitHub, Remote Manager. You can clone it or you can download the zip, and it gives you all you need in order to get that working. All you need to do is install. Make sure you have Rust installed, and that's all you need. Do these. If you're in Unix, if you're in Windows, you're on your own. And then just, or if you, then you clone the repository or you download it, and then you do cargo build release, and that is it. And all it will open the same application right into your computer. And I just wanted to share this with you because I know that it could be very, very handy. And because, like I said, it's another tool. I mean, there are other tools out there, as you know. There's FileZilla if you want to use FTP. There's WinCP if you come from the Windows world. And they, of course, they have SCP, everything through the terminal. But if this is more, if you want to see something graphical, if you want to see images, of course, right? So you cannot do that with WinCP. You cannot do that with FileZilla. But I hope you enjoy it. This is the end of this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please click the like box, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time with another tutorial. Take care.